Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. The Honorable Headmaster and all the teacher Abatasa Elementary School. Let me introduce myself. My name is Popo Mandala SS. I am the English teacher of the top level Abatasa Elementary School. Today, I would like to introduce and present you about the material simple present for the sixth level of Abatasa Elementary School. And I hope the student will be reflected the material to daily activities. And thank you so much for the attention. Happy watching. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Stand up, please. Say greeting to our teacher.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Sit down, please.
Yes, sit down please, student. Okay, before I start this class, I would like to Arjun to help me to let's pray together and to begin our class for today.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ar-Rahmanir-Rahim. Maliki yaumiddin.
Berdiri. Ucap salam.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Have a seat please, student. Okay, before we start, I would like to check you here. Anybody absent for today? Ada yang nggak masuk? Nah, okay, semua
This
masuk.
morning.
I'm very well, thank you. For the girls, how are you this morning? Are you fine? Yeah. Kil, how are you? How are you? I heard that you have a competition for the singing in the PLTU, yeah, competition. How it feel? It feel great. It feel great, right? Yeah.
Yes.
And you, how about the euphoria? Is it very so many crowded or so many amazing performance there? Yes, so many performance. Yes, good. Right. And Arjun, how about you? I think that you are have some number one top yeah for the celebration Yell yeah competition. Can you tell us what's that? It's a very nice thing or a very happy thing. Did you have a reward from your coach, from Mr. Raga? Yes. All of you have some ice cream too, yeah? Okay, good one. Sudah pendukungmu, patriot proklamasi, sedia berkorban untukmu. And we have to, maybe we take some ice breaking. Could you please stand up, please, guys? Okay, did you still remember about the finger song? Yes, yeah? Okay, there are 5 fingers of our hand, right? This is 5 finger, this is 4 finger, this is 3 finger, this is 2 finger, 1 finger, right? Okay, 1, 2, 3, let's go.
5 fingers.
5 finger, clap, clap, clap. 4 finger, butterfly. 3 finger, tepuk tangan. Give applause for KBR. Okay, please sit down, please. Have a seat, please. Okay, thank you so much, guys, for your very attractive interaction with me. I'm very honored because this for 6D, right? For elementary school Abatasa, is very top, I think, right? Next one, I would like to give you some clue for this material, and you want to watch this video, and you have to pit back and raise your hand after this video. One is clean the teeth. Ya, ini ada S-nya, nanti kita pelajarin semua ya. Okay, next. Yes. This is He has breakfast at 10 o'clock, right? Your daily activity from Monday to Friday. Dan itu kalian lakukan tiap hari, every day, setiap hari. Jadi itulah yang namanya dengan kegiatan present, habit, menyatakan fakta, fact, menyatakan kebenaran umum, general truth, dan everything that which is writing, speaking, and action in a daily life. Kegiatan yang sering kita lakukan berulang-ulang. Kayak kita nih di sekolah ini kita hampir. Jadi kalau rumus untuk simple present tense itu subject plus verb one plus s or es plus object. Subjek itu apa saja? Ayo. Dan kenapa tidak usah pakai s and s? Jadi dia tergantung subjeknya. Ingat ya, kalau nggak usah pakai s atau s itu subjeknya I, you, they, we. No, you. I, you, they, we. For subject, right? Yang harus dikasih s sama s apa aja? She, he, it. She for women or girls. He for boys or men. It for thing, benda. Ingatin rumusnya, oke? Contohnya ini, for the example, I eat rice every morning. She plays the piano, right? Apa perbedaannya di situ? Di verbnya. Verbnya yang a itu tidak menggunakan s atau s, tetap verb one saja. Eat, it is makan in Indonesia, right? She plays the piano. She tadi harus pakai s. So, kata kerja plays-nya kita tambahkan s. Oke? Sampai sini sudah mulai mengerti? Oke, ini sudah kita jelaskan tadi ya. Lihat. Jadi kalau I, you, we, they itu verb one tanpa s atau es. Kalau he, she, it wajib verb one plus s or es. Contohnya lagi, I read a book, she reads a book. Contoh baru lagi ini yang bisa saya kasihkan. Misalnya gini, Arjun writes a book. Arjun menulis buku. Kyo sings a beautiful song. Beautiful itu adjective. Nah, nanti kita di next pertemuan kita bahas lagi ya beberapa itu. Nah, jadi tahu ya kalau kita manusia dan benda harus menggunakan s dan es, tetapi satu orang saja, singular. Bagaimana rumusnya yang negatif? Rumus yang negatif itu ditambahkan sebelum verb ada do and does. Ingat ya, do and does. Penggunaan do and does itu sama kayak s sama es. Kalau do itu hanya digunakan untuk apa? I, they, we, you. Right, good. Kalau does itu digunakan untuk she, he, it. Jadi kalau kalimat negatif cukup kita tambahkan not setelah to be. Do does itu to be. Kata bantu, setelah itu baru verb. Ingat di present tense itu harus verb one. Mengerti? Does Ma'am Lona go to school today? Siapa yang bisa jawab? Yes, she does. Orangnya ada hari ini kan tadi membantu kalian latihan upacara, right? Sampai sini bisa ya antara do and does untuk siapa saja. Kita menggunakan simple tenses, present tense itu menceritakan kegiatan rutin. Kegiatannya tuh kita lakukan tiap hari. I wake up at 6 a.m. Kalau kita I wake up at 5 or 4. Kalau verb 4. Kalau yang lain jam berapa? Kita karena ini kan kita sholat dulu ya. Sholat dulu. Ibu saya memasak. Itu pakai cooks ya, nggak cook. Karena mom itu she pronounnya. We go to school. Kayak Arjun tadi. We. Aku sama Arjun tuh we. Ya. We go to school. Number 1. She blah 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 drink milk every night. Putri? She?
Milk every night.
Good one. Tepuk tangan buat Putri. Give a applause for her. Next. I blah 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 not slash play football on Sunday. Ini kalimat negatif ya. Jangan lupa ditambahin kata bantu. Kalau I itu menggunakan yes. Coba Arjun. Arjun lagi coba. I do not play football on Sunday. Zian number 3. Blah blah blah. You like cats. Do or does pakainya. Do you like cats? Karena cats-nya banyak. Harus pakai no, pakai do. Ya? Ini udah jawab. We learn about the material today. I think have to make some group, right? To more analyzing something. Sir, was give you one this, right? I give you the 3 groups, group 1, group 2, and group 3. And I'll give you here must be answer this question and back to me after this class, right? This for the first group, second group, okay, and the last group.
Thank you.
Ya, nanti dikerjakan ya. Jadi apa yang sudah materi serta disampaikan tadi, kalian harus menjawab beberapa pertanyaan di game AI Can Find. Oke? Mau saya tunjuk atau raise your hand? Okay, this is the games, the AI Canva games. I'd like to reflect it, our material back then about the present tense. And I think you here was understanding what's the meaning of all the things the material here, right? Kita jawab pertanyaan dari games ini untuk merefleksi apakah sudah betul-betul menguasai materi pada hari ini belum. Tapi kayaknya menurut saya udah 80. Yes, go to the school every day. Apa? Yes, Algi?
She goes to school every day.
Oke, kita coba ya. Goes ya. Where is G? G O. What else? Ya, spelling sama-sama G O. Where is A? Where is U? A and S. Are you ready? Ready. Okay, good one, Algi. Thank you. Next, they blah 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 play. The verb is play football on the weekend. Anybody from this group? Yes, boy? Yes, Arjun apa? Arjun? They
They play football on weekend.
Kita coba ya. They play L. Where is A and Y and okay, beri tepuk tangan. Good one. The next girl. Setelah semua kita pelajari, nanti LKPD-nya dikumpulkan di akhir ini ya. Jangan lupa diisi ya anak-anak ya, teman-teman. Nanti kita kumpulkan di akhir. Ini ada kaitannya karena kita sekolah dasar yang berbasis Islam terpadu. Jadi ternyata di seluruh subjek, in every subject in our school and every elementary school subject mempunyai kesinambungan antara mata pelajaran yang kita pelajari dengan apa namanya ya?
Amalan yang paling dicintai oleh Allah adalah amalan yang dilakukan secara terus-menerus, walaupun sedikit. Hadis riwayat Bukhari dan Muslim. Dalam Islam, konsistensi istiqomah dalam melakukan hal-hal baik seperti sholat, belajar, membantu orang tua, atau berkata jujur sangat dianjurkan. Jadi kita bisa menggunakan simple present tense untuk menceritakan rutinitas baik kita setiap hari. Misalnya, I pray 5 times.
5 times. Ulangi kembali dengan mempelajari present tense. Kita belajar bukan hanya menyusun kalimat, tidak hanya menyusun kalimat, tetap tentang kegiatan kita sehari, tapi juga mengingat pentingnya konsistensi. Apa konsistensi tadi dalam bahasa agama kita istiqomah ya, istiqomah dalam berbuat baik. Kita tuh jangan baiknya sekali aja. Every day you have to be kind person, right? And every day we have to care to anybody. Karena kegiatan yang berulang-ulang itu akan mendapatkan hal baik juga ke depannya. Oke? Bagaimana sebagaimana diajarkan oleh Nabi Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Oke, ini contohnya. I pray 5 times a day. Ini kegiatan kita wajib dilakukan tiap. Ternyata itu kita menggunakannya harus pakai present tense. I pray 5 times a day. Di mana subjeknya di I. Pray apa? Pray apa? Verb. Kata kerja 5 times a day. 5 times a day apa? Adverb of time. Waktu. Next, I help my parents. I itu subjek, help. Verb, my parent adalah objek. Terus, I study every. Yes. Verb every evening. Adverb of time. Okay. I need one person here to make some sentences using this verb, using the present tense. I choose one. Maybe yes, Putri. Putri, give me some sentence menggunakan present tense. Coba. Okay, what else? She goes to school every day. What else? Yang sering kita lakukan tiap hari. I eat 3 times a day. Everybody maybe 2 times, 1 time, but we are 3 times, right? Okay? Okay, anak-anak, maybe that's all the material about the present tense today. I think that you have to learn more about this in your home, in your house, with your family, with the other teacher. You have focus on that material. Dan juga jangan lupa dalam bahasa Inggris kita harus confident. Jangan malu dan sering dilatih ya. Kalau di rumah biasakan kalian kalau mau mencoba memfasihkan, dengarkanlah lagu-lagu yang berbahasa Inggris. Boleh Mahir Zain ya untuk Islaminya atau membantu kalian, listening kalian, speaking kalian, and all the things that in English must be. It's grammar. Ini grammar namanya. Tenses kayak gini namanya grammar. Ini hal-hal yang harus kita ada di diri kita. Ini fungsinya apa? Ketika kita mau berbicara atau menulis sesuatu ataupun mempersembahkan sesuatu, kita harus punya the grammar. Tidak boleh membicarakan atau membuat kita melakukan hal tanpa ada tensesnya. Jadi kalau kegiatan seperti ini harus diulang-ulang sering. Nanti ada juga tenses namanya past tense. Kejadian yang sudah terjadi. Next week kita akan membahas tentang past tense. Ya, itu juga penting. Itu kebalikannya dari hal ini. Yes? Ada pertanyaan untuk hari ini? No. Any question from the girls? No. Any question from the boys? No. This one? No. Have you done to answer that question from the LKPD? Sudah ya? Oke, sudah semua. Yang girls sudah? Nanti kita kumpulkan di akhir materi di kelas ini. Oke? Kalau sudah tidak ada pertanyaan, mungkin berpesan satu kali lagi ya, motivasi untuk kalian. Do not believe anyone else, but believe in yourself. Ada yang ngerti? Jangan pernah terlalu percaya dengan orang lain, tapi percayalah kepada kemampuan atau diri kita sendiri. Tepuk tangan untuk kita hari ini. Okay, everyone, thank you so much. I'm very honored for teaching this class again. I hope you guys here to be at the best of you, and good luck for everything you want to be in the future.
Please. Greeting our teacher.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Sit down, please.
Okay.
Thank you.